Just picked up this Parrot Asteroid. Gonna do a quick little unboxing. It's not gonna be too fancy. Let's see. We got 6 months free of text-friendly, like text-to-speech and all this fancy stuff. User manual. Let's see what's in here. Radio key. This is a microphone. A iPod cable. Let's see. USB cable. Audio cable. The radio harness. Look, it's already got the Volkswagen terminals on it. And a GPS antenna. GPS. Let's see, got some zip ties in there. Let's see, the head unit. This thing is packaged very, very well. See the Parrot head unit. It's a very, very slim profile. It has 6 channels, front, rear, and sub. 4 USB ports, standard antenna jack. Let's see, it's a microphone and a line in, and then the radio in. Pretty darn cool radio.